Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. How you guys doing today? You know me, Mark Morris, ChodeToBeTheBroke.com, hanging out here in Coachella Valley, Riverside 86, 177. How you guys doing today? Traffic is getting bad. Gas is back up to 509. How soon do you think gas will be back? How much are you paying for gas? Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. Thank you guys for looking at my last video where I talked about, hey, what could you do with some extra money from your student loan when you get your student loan paid off? One thing you can do is just buy yourself some gas. Past the Chevron, I think the gas was $5.29 yesterday at the Chevron off of Highland in Colorado. And then I'm past another one today. I think it was $5.29. And even at the smaller stations, $4.69, $4.89. Okay, best case, $4.49, $4.69, $4.89. Past the Arco for there off of, like, I think Orange Show or something, packed. There's like 9 cars lined up for 4 pumps. Maybe that's what you could do with your student loan money. Hey, fix your teeth. I told you. Remember, go back and watch what I talked to you about yesterday. Make sure you guys always, I don't have it here. Here it is. It's buried here somewhere. Make sure you carry around your proxy brush. Remember how I taught you how to use the proxy brush? Put it between your teeth. Kind of use it to break down the material so it doesn't get, prevents your teeth from getting dirty and helps you speed up your cleaning appointment. So try that. Maybe do that with your money. Invest in some learning stuff. Invest in yourself, man. Every time you turn around, AI this, AI that, AI. I thought AI used to be Allen Iverson. Now AI is artificial intelligence. Hey, here's something about AI. Hey, AI, why do we keep losing money in the stock market? AI, robots, figure that out. Then we'll talk. Subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like. Should be up. We got to get up to like 10,000 subscribers this year, man. I know some of you guys don't want to subscribe. I don't like him. He asked for money. I could do it myself. Hey, if you want to do it yourself, subscribe, and then look at my videos. Now, if you don't want to do it yourself and you want me to help you, yeah. I got a $39.99, $99.99, $1,997 programs to help you, man. I had a student loan that was $94,485 down to $5,900 something. About to pay it off. Do you think that would help you? Some of you guys, and on top of it, the Fed keeps raising the interest rate. Some of you guys are still porting credit cards at 33, 34, 35%, man. Your student loan interest, even if it does go up and the Supreme Court fails, that is the best deal in town. That is the best deal in town. You may be paying 8%. People are paying 30% for credit cards. Ain't no guarantee that they won't go up some more. So that's why I said subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like. How important is you to paying off that student loan? Because whenever there's a student loan problem, like I told you, there's a money problem. And that's when I help you, man. But maybe you need to think about, hey, maybe some extra money. You can just go to a restaurant. Go to Panda Express, get you a nice one bowl, or go to Denny's, get you the 2, 4, 6, 8 specials. Hey, maybe that's what you can do with just some extra money, man. I just want to get you guys out. I ain't even talking about the cars, the vacation, the dogs, the TV, maybe whatever crazy stuff you want to do. Maybe you just need to get that student loan paid off or get your debts paid off so you can do the simple things. Hey, maybe go to Vons and go shopping. Go to Sprouts. Not go to grocery outlets and stuff like that. Like you have these bizarre deals and stuff. Why don't you just really go to a regular restaurant? So that's what I thought I'd come back and talk to you a little bit about today. Just, hey, when there's a money problem with a student loan, when there's a student loan problem not being paid, there's a money problem. As you get that money paid down, that student loan paid down, that means there's more money. It means there's more money, it means there's more confidence. It means they're more confident, everyone is happy. No one's upset about not having any type of money. So think about that today, man. Go back, subscribe. Go watch my video, $5,998 from current student loan down from $9,485. Go watch the one about, hey, maybe you still have some extra money to help keep your teeth clean. Maybe you have some extra money to do some weight loss surgery. That's why you want to get these student loans paid off. Get your debts paid off. Subscribe. Let's get going and get those programs.